Basically, out of the GTO's 9 tasks, individual obstacle happens to be the first task on the second day. So that is where I am going to touch upon. Okay? In individual obstacles, there are 10 obstacles to be done. The time given to you is for 3 minutes, and these 10 obstacles are marks at 1 to 10. Total marks 55, and 3 minutes are given to you. The procedure is that all of you will be shown these obstacles, and you will also be shown as to how these are to be negotiated, how are to be tackled. Once that part is over, then you will be seated like this, and one by one you will go to the GTO. GTO will blow a whistle, you will start, and at the end of 2 minutes he will blow a second whistle just to caution you that your time is likely to be over. And after 3 minutes a long whistle will be blown, which indicates that your time is up. Wherever you are, please sit down. Your part is over and the next gentleman comes in. Okay, this is how it goes. Now what are we looking for in those obstacles when you are doing it? We are looking for as to how you are organized, how you tackle these obstacles, and are you one of those candidates who doesn't give up? That means you don't quit. And are you a person who at the first resistance gives it up? How this is checked is, these obstacles are numbered 1 to 10 and not placed in serial order. That means एक के बाद में 2 नहीं आएगा, 2 के बाद में 3 नहीं आएगा. They can be placed just haphazardly. So if you have to start, you start from any side that you want. So once you start, either you go clockwise or you go anti-clockwise, but please follow the same sequence wherever you are. 10 के बाद में अगर आपने 1 आता है तो do that. Just continue to do that. And somewhere you may find that you are unable to do that obstacle. So please don't give up right in the beginning. Make a second attempt. And once you make a second attempt, and if you're still unable to do it, then don't stay there, move to the next one. Okay? This is simple. लोगों को दिमाग में एक कंसेप्ट ये रहता है कि नहीं हमको 10 के 10 करने हैं या रिपीट करना है. So don't go with this premise. It's not necessary that you do all the 10 or you do 2 or you don't do any one. There are candidates, there are aspirants who have qualified without doing any of the obstacles. And there are people who have repeated also and have not made it. Only because of those qualities which I mentioned that you have to display that. और हिम्मत तो आप लोगों में है ही, जोश आप लोगों में है ही, और सामने क्वालिफाई होने का टारगेट है. सो यू कैन डू इट. और चोट कहाँ लगती है? नॉर्मली जब आप रस्से को पकड़ के उतरते हैं तो आप सडनली रस्सा छोड़ते हैं एंड देन यू गेट द एब्रेशन. सो बेस्ट है कि अगर आप टार्जन जंप कर रहे हैं तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज 45 डिग्री पे नीचे देखिए, तो उसमें आपको कूदने में भी आसानी होगी, रस्सा पकड़ के तुरंत नीचे आने में भी आसानी होगी. बट नॉर्मली करते क्या है कि जब हम जंप करते हैं तो वी थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ पकड़ते हैं. डोंट गेट इनटू दैट. और नीचे कोई भी ऑब्स्टिकल करते टाइम पे नीचे मत देखो. नीचे देखने से यू विल गेट स्केर्ड. ओके.
21 डेज ऑफ एसएसबी इंटरव्यू ट्रेनिंग का नया बैच हर सोमवार को शुरू होता है सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी में. क्या आप भी लेना चाहते हैं इंडिविजुअल और पर्सनलाइज्ड गाइडेंस, जहां आपको OIR, PPNDT, साइकोलॉजी टेस्ट, GTO, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, कॉन्फ्रेंस एवं CPSS का फुल फ्लैश गाइडेंस चाहिए? आज ही संपर्क करें हमारी टीम से ऑफिशियल नंबर्स पर और ले अपना एडमिशन। थैंक यू, जय हिंद।